Tell us your name and tell us about your project.
Well, my name is Olaus Roemer. I'm a Danish astronomer, and I was the first person in human history to accurately measure the speed of light. I it wasn't super accurate. It was the 17th century, but it was pretty good compared to the people that came before me. They thought that light was infinitely fast, so I'm pretty happy with my value.
What were you guys trying to do or find?
Oh, I wasn't trying to find the speed of light at all whenever I found my value for it. I was so I'm an astronomer. I was looking at the planets the moons that orbit Jupiter, and I was just estimating different values as they go around in space, and I was looking at lunar eclipses, and my estimate for the time that the light would come back to Earth was off on on the lunar eclipse, and I realized that this difference had to be because of the distance between the sun and the Earth, and that it would have to take a certain amount of time for the light to travel that fast.
Where did the project occur?
Oh, I was in Paris, France at the time.
What other significant events were happening around the world at that time?
1676. Not much else was happening in the world. I'm Danish. I do remember that uh, we fought in a battle against Sweden in that year. We won. It was in the Baltic Sea. That's about all I remember though from that time period.
Who else was involved in the project?
Oh, no one else was involved. It was just me. I I did all the work by myself. Yeah.
Who was your role? What was your role in the project?
Oh, I was the only one that worked on the project, so I guess I was the whole project. I guess you could say my role would be that I accidentally figured out the speed of light.
What impact did your project have on the physics community?
Oh, significant impact. Speed of light is used to determine a lot of things. There are many equations that won't even come around for many years after I pass that people will use in different theories to measure things such as frequency, energy, wavelength. Very, very cool stuff. Very, very neat theories that come about because of the speed of light. Yeah.
What other things did you invent?
Oh, I invented the first mercury thermometer. I was able to put different values with the extension of mercury with temperature. I divided the boiling water temperature and the freezing water temperature, and found different values, and created the first working mercury thermometer. Later on in life, I shared my ideas with David Fahrenheit. Uh, I think you know who that is. Obviously, you can see it worked pretty well. Uh, Thank you.